Today we are making two tropical cocktails. The first one is a Painkiller, which was created back in 1970s by Daphne Henderson at the Soggy Dollar Bar in the Virgin Islands. And the second one is the legendary Piña Colada, created by Ramon Marrero in 1954. What is the crack, and welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. My name is the Rusty Bartender, and today we've got a little treat. We're making two drinks today, two cocktails, two tropical drinks, Piña Colada and the Painkiller, both from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. And if you're new, we're making every single cocktail, all 125 of them, in this book. So without further ado, let's get making the first drink today, the Painkiller. So the first ingredient in this cocktail is you're going to need half an ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. I'm just hoping I can get half an ounce out of this. Perfect, half an ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. Then you're going to need 3/4 of an ounce of cream of coconut. Now you're going to realize very quickly that this recipe is very similar to the second drink we're going to be doing, the Piña Colada, just with a few exceptions. Then you're going to go 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. I couldn't get fresh pineapple juice to squeeze me in this time, so I used a really good store-bought pineapple juice, but I'm sure it is 100%. Those of you who are frequent to this channel know that I won't be able to try any of these drinks today because I'm actually allergic to pineapple. But because I'm an absolute legend, I'm still making the drinks even though I'm allergic to them. So let's go. You're then going to use 1.5 ounces of a Demerara rum. This is going to give some lovely dark, robust, sweet notes, molasses sort of flavors in this drink. I like to think so because I'm not tasting it. Add ice to your shaker, and we're going to shake this for about 10 to 12 seconds. Like and subscribe. Please and thank you. This drink is to be served over pebble ice. If you haven't got pebble ice, like I don't, so I'm just using some crushed ice. And we're going to double strain that. Add some more crushed ice to your glass if needed. Garnish for this one is grated nutmeg just over the top. I have to say, even though I'm allergic to pineapple juice, the smell of this drink is really, really good. And that, folks, is the Painkiller. Okay, second drink on our list is the famous Piña Colada. And everybody loves a Piña Colada. Even though you might say it wrong, you might say Pina Colada, but it's actually Piña. Isn't that ironic, an Irish man telling people how to actually say things properly? Anyway, in Steve's book, he does say that his recipe differs slightly from the original, as he likes a little bit of acidity in his. And we're going to add, what are we going to add? We're going to add half an ounce of lime juice, and I actually already forgot to say we're making this in a blender, but we're not going to blend it fully, we're just going to flash blend. So half an ounce of your lime juice. And then the recipe calls for 1.5 ounces of coconut cream. And then 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. And then 2 full ounces of a lightly aged rum. We've got plantation on the go today, as you can see. So 2 full ounces. Plenty of booze in this, but you know, you're gonna be blending it with ice, so it gets watered down. All right, we're gonna add some pebble ice or some crushed ice to your blender. On flash blends, you're just gonna hold the button for a few seconds. Nothing too mad. Done. And we're just gonna transfer this into a hurricane glass. Actually, my hurricane glass is absolutely huge. Top up with some more crushed ice or pebble ice, whatever you've got. Garnish for this one, folks, is just a wedge of orange or pineapple if you've got it. There you go, folks. Piña Colada. Beautiful. Love to give this one a try, but I can't. Anyway, guys, if you've enjoyed this, like and subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.